Welcome everyone to today's live. I'm so glad to have you here. Yes, that has gone live, so that's fantastic. Um, Welcome to all my supergrans and retiree warriors out there. I feel like I'm your favorite supergran here, and I want to know if you're ready to whip up something truly special, because today we're not baking cookies, we're not brewing tea, we're cooking up a feast of financial independence. And I'm pretty sure that we can all use a little bit more of that. So, whoops, knocking my computer everywhere. So now that you're thinking about, you know, where you're at in life, you know, some people often bury this in the sand, and they're thinking financial independence at our age, what is that about? Well, hold on to your supergran capes, because this supergran is about to share a secret recipe that will turn your golden years inside out and make it truly sparkle. So let's dive into the super grand secret sauce of financial independence. Just to make sure this is all running and not turned up. Perfect. So, it really is a secret weapon, and I want you to get ready to absolutely take off, because this secret weapon is about to change your life. So let's look at the 7 steps that are needed for, a successful financial independence and future in your retirement. So we're firstly going to add a little bit of smart planning. Smart planning isn't just for grandmothers and retirees, because let's face it, that's probably too late to be starting to plan when you're already retired. It's about looking at where you are now and where you want to be. When I first started on this particular journey, I was drowning in bills, but I had to think about it outside the box, and I needed to look at this from a different perspective and add a little bit of smart planning into the mix. And, I could easily turn those bills into thrills. So let me ask you this. What do you really want from your retirement? And, is it that cottage by the sea? Is it traveling the world? What is it for you? And whatever it is, I'd like you to write that down, because that's the first step in our recipe to actually get you to that point. I do my writing every morning of exactly what I want, how I want it to look, visualize that, and, that starts bringing everything into fruition. So our next step is to add some daily action, and a little bit goes a long way. This is a powerful ingredient, and it is the key. Daily action means taking small steps every single day towards your goals. So for me, and for anybody who owns their own business in this particular digital marketing, it's spending 2 hours a day doing the income producing activities, so that I could then do more of what I love to do for the rest of my day. But I knew that those 2 hours turned into a, thriving income stream. And the next one is, plug into the free $1 million mentoring that we get with this program. Who says that you can't teach old dog new tricks? Let me tell you that this super grand learned how to use new social media platforms and even master AI. Well, I'm still mastering that. I think that's it's a work in progress. We all learn new skills and put them into action, and we keep learning. But embracing these new skills keeps our mind sharp and opens doors to some incredible opportunities. I'm not just talking about about betting your life away, on a whim. I'm talking about calculated risks. So, like when I invested in myself by starting my own online business, and let's face it, this is my own business, it felt a little scary. I was a little uncertain, but wow, did it pay off to take that action? So next, we're going to look at adding you to our amazing community networking group, because our community is all about connecting with like-minded supergrans and others who support and inspire each other. And this is every single day. As part of owning your own online business, and you will own your own online business in this system, you also get to join our free online community and attend our free online mentoring, which is absolutely phenomenal. I heard somebody say this morning, it's $1 million free mentoring, and it really is. You'll be amazed at how the doors open when we can support each other, and it really does make a difference. Then we're going to add a little bit of patience into the recipe. We all know Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial independence. But with consistent effort, you'll start seeing the results sooner rather than later, and sooner than you even think, because consistency is key to success, and you really have to be consistent in anything that you do. It's like bringing up children. If you stopped trying to guide them and support them and encourage them at 5 years old, they probably wouldn't be anywhere near where they are today. You can't just stop bringing them up. They keep, we have to keep applying methods to make sure that they have the best life possible. And number 7, of course, is finally, we're going to add a really large dose of self-belief. This is the real secret ingredient, supergrans. It really is. Believing in yourself, but believing in your wisdom. You've worked your whole life. You've been busy all your life. You've been probably doing a lot of things for everyone else around you, but you have a lot of wisdom that you've gathered over those years. So believe in that. And your experiences, what a lifetime of experiences you hold that you can share, along with the knowledge that you've gained as well. Whether you've invested in yourself in, educational programs before or not, your knowledge is your key ingredient, I guess, and your superpower. And it gives you the ability to create the life that you want. You've overcome challenges before. We know that everybody has had some sort of challenge in life. We know that when you join us together, you can do it again. And especially with our step-by-step guide, our training modules. I mentioned our $1 Million mentor that provides us with so much information to grow and create more for yourselves, but it also ensures that you succeed. Those training modules are priceless. So you can learn at your own pace, and I am going to be there to help you every step of the way as well. So when you mix all of that together, boom, you get to take flight and help more supergrans to change their retirement and financial future too. Imagine talking to people all around the world, giving them the same financial freedom that you've now got. So this is the recipe that we all use in this business. It works. It's a proven system. It's a blueprint. Why are so many people joining this and succeeding? Because it's proven, a proven system, and it works. And all you have to do is copy and paste and follow the steps for your own success. However, while some of you might take longer to master this, in the end, the success is right there. The beauty of this is that you can adjust your 2 hours of income producing activities every day to suit your lifestyle. So it can be broken up into sections during the day rather than adding it all into the mix all together. I prefer to do mine all together in the morning. There's a lot of people out there who do a little bit in the morning, a bit sort of in the middle of the day, and some even do some more at night. So it's entirely up to you. It doesn't have to be done all at once. And let me just share with you about a beautiful lady called Mary Ann, who's in our community and started this journey in August 2023. She actually had her first sale in 4 days. You know, because you've got 4 streams of income here. You've got 4 digital products that you have the market resale, master resale rights to, that you can sell over and over again, but you only ever pay one price. And she's, Mary Ann's 60 years young, as she likes to say, and has just continued to build her business month after month after month. She says that it took her, in January this year, it took her from January to May this year to reach her 6-figure income, all because she followed the proven system and blueprint to build her legacy. So, you know, I was not tech savvy, but I can do this. And I know you can too. And it's that simple. It's the perfect secret weapon to your financial independence for your golden years to be absolutely shining. But remember, like anything that we do, the magic happens when you actually start cooking that recipe, baking that cake, you know, doing the work and consistently doing those 2 hours every day. Remember, I was once where you might be right now, worried about the future, feeling like I'd missed my chance. But by following this step-by-step guide and the proven system that we know works, I've created a life full of joy, purpose, and yes, financial freedom. And my purpose now is to help all those supergrans out there to actually take control of their financial future and be financially independent to build their own legacy. And if this supergran can do it, then you can too. I have one final question for you today. My fellow supergrans and retirees, which part of this 7-step recipe really resonates with you? Is it the smart planning? Is it the daily income producing activities that you do and taking daily action? Or is it the believing in yourself? Remember, we're not just aging, we're becoming the superheroes for all those loved ones in our life and the lives of those that we help. Supergrans and retirees, if you would like to learn more about how to find your own financial independence, comment ready below, and I'd be more than happy to share those details with you. I want you to have an amazing afternoon and evening, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.